welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we talked about the E sound with their spelling patterns. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the sound A with also their spelling patterns. So let's get started. The sound A is one of the short sound in the English sound system. The mouth is open while the lips are spread. A, A, A. It can occur in spelling patterns like quick, sister, Moses, English, village, orange, lady, busy, babies, ladies, build, guitar. So let me give you a few sentences that goes with the sound A. My sister is good at English. My sister is good at English. Mr. Moses likes playing his guitar. Mr. Moses likes playing his guitar. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below. See you in my next video. Bye for now.